Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the organisms and their transport media. The first one is the Streptococcus. So Streptococcus, the media is a Pike's media. Pike. So Pike's media. Next is the organism is Neisseria. So here the media will be the Stewart media. So Stewart media is for the Neisseria. The next organism, we look at the Shigella and the Salmonella. So Shigella and Salmonella. So what is the transport medium here? It is the CB medium, that is a Carey-Blair medium. Next, moving on to the Vibrio cholera. So Vibrio cholera, what is the transport medium? Vibrio cholera transport medium is the Carey-Blair medium, the Venkat Raman Ramakrishnan medium, as well as the autoclaved. This autoclaved seawater is also a medium which is used. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.